gun must. Play back glass when them I hear me gun bust. Put the 45 and point it like the compass.
Yeah. Go on mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya star. Only pop pressure and I'm gone. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt on the journey so far.
Welcome Success family, my enlightened keepers of Øwayne All in Media alongside our new arrivals to the channel. Chris Muslis left Trinidad and traveled to Miami where he planned to stay for a few days before driving back to Canada. During his time in Prince Swanny hometown, Johnny Bravo arranged a meeting between Prince Swanny and Chris Muslis. Now we have this big interview that is a surprise to many people. In the interview, Prince Swanny discussed the Trinidad music scene and expressed his respect for fellow artists like Kman, Six and Plumpy boss. Although he did not mention the names directly, he said respect to every artist, and we know who the key players are in the Trinidad music scene, so that was clear to me. Chris Muslis asked Prince Swanny about his popularity on the Trinidad music scene. Prince Swanny gave a humble response and said he doesn't consider himself the most popular and believes everyone is doing well. Chris Muslis appreciated Prince Swanny humility and declared Prince Swanny as the biggest artist in Trinidad, which I must agree with. No doubt he's the biggest artist.
From Trinidad already know who this man is right here. So how does it feel to be the most popular man in Trinidad? Is there anybody bigger right now in Trinidad?
I don't know. I would say everybody doing the thing, you know?
Yeah.
I wouldn't class myself as the most popular or the most biggest, you know? I just doing my thing same way.
Man, that's a humble answer. I like that. I'm gonna tell you that you're the biggest.
I appreciate that, man, you know?
If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos. So Chris Muslis asked Prince Swanny if he was collaborating with any Trinidad artist. Prince Swanny never actually answered the question, but Prince Swanny took the opportunity and said he respects every Trinidad artist and mentioned that he has no issues with anyone, and that would go for Kman, Six, Plumpy Boss, possibly Byron Messiah. So despite rumors and negativity from some individuals, Prince Swanny said he doesn't let rumors affect him and continues to focus on his work. No rumors or blame will stop him from focusing on what is important.
Is there anybody that you're working with in Trinidad right now at all?
Yeah, well, I rate every Trinidad artist. That is first to begin with. I rate every Trinidad artist, you know?
Yeah.
And I love what they're doing, they're representing for the country, no matter which area they're from, which side they're from. You know, I don't have a problem with nobody.
Yeah.
I don't know who have a problem with me, that is them problem.
Why would somebody have a problem with you? You're too nice of a guy with talent. They should be on your team. There should be no enemies.
I don't know, well, people that spread rumors and, you know, if you don't speak up for yourself, some people run with the rumors, and as I'm not really, you know, I just let people do the thing. I don't really speak on certain things.
Yes.
You understand?
Makes sense.
But
Prince Swanny spoke about the freedom to enjoy music in Trinidad. Swandan said people should be able to listen to whatever they like regardless of their location. Prince Swanny said in the era where he came from, people have this freedom of listening to whatever they like, which is not the case in some areas in Trinidad. Just the other day, Tyson came out of jail and music was playing in the background, and many people were saying that he dissed the Six because he was listening to some other artist's music. I think Same Flame did a video about it.
place shouldn't be like that at all, you know?
Yeah.
Anybody should be able to go anywhere and play whatever they feel like or whatever mood they feeling in, who they feel like listening to.
Yeah.
You understand? At the end of the day, all of we from the same island and we represent.
But I mean, you as an artist, do you feel comfortable saying who you listen to, or you don't wanna cross that line?
Yeah, I wouldn't say different in Trinidad and different in some places in Trinidad, because in my area, where I come from, in my street, they can listen to anything.
Right.
You understand? I wouldn't tell them take off that. I know certain other communities, same thing. You understand? They're playing anything. They're playing Swan, they're playing this one, that one, anything.
Yeah.
It's just certain places in Trinidad had that kind of stigma, that mentality, you understand?
Yeah.
Prince Swanny addressed rumors about leaving Trinidad. Prince Swanny clarified that he isn't running away from anyone, but running away from poverty. Swandan said that those who criticize him, they wish they were in his position, so he's unfazed by their negativity and continues to work hard. And their hate does not make him work harder, because he works hard regardless and always.
Yeah. We running from nothing, you know. A lot of people say like, I'm running from Trinidad, I'm running from this.
Yeah.
I'm running from my soul. I'm running from poverty.
When you go there, you might not come back.
But the truth is, to become international, you got to make moves. You can't sit still.
That's
true.
But the haters will tell you there's a reason that you left.
And the most of them who trying to make a reason why I left,
Yeah.
wish them was out there right now.
Yeah, of course they did.
You know that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They would do anything
Exactly.
in order to be in your chair right now. in your
And I know
position.
that. I know that for sure.
Yeah. But when you're on the top, you know they're going to be taking aim at you. Period. Everyone is. And I don't mean physically. I mean the haters. They're going to come. They're going to gossip.
Always. And anything you do, you always have haters.
Well, how do you deal with the negativity?
Me, I just smoke a spliff
Yeah.
and continue my day.
So it doesn't affect you at all?
Nah.
No, nothing.
No.
Does it motivate you to work harder or?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
I just always work hard, so it didn't have like a work harder for me. I just always work hard, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, anything I do, I just always try to put my best into it.
I'm with you. You know, with what you do and with what I do, I get feedback as well, and people say, don't worry about the haters. Man, it's like a mosquito. To me,
Prince Swanny also responded to accusations about selling out by explaining that he only sold out his shows, not his values. Prince Swanny mentioned that he has become wiser over time and learned from his experience and learned from any mistake that he made in the past.
Yeah.
work.
And the people are trying to say, you know, I sell out and why sell out? Me sell out nothing, you know?
Yeah.
But my start this shit is.
But is that a compliment if somebody says you sold out? What does that mean? That you're successful?
That'll be like my show is sold out or something.
Yeah. But have you changed over the course of your success?
Me?
Yeah.
I would say like I just get wiser.
Yeah.
I wouldn't really say I change, I just get wiser, you know? Due to certain circumstances and experience, you know?
But if you didn't get wiser, then it would be a problem. You got to learn from your mistakes. And experiences.
Exactly.
What's something that's happened to you since your success that people might not realize happens once you gain success? Is there something memorable? We were sort of talking about it off camera, that people change around you.
Yeah.
Yeah, for those people that haven't touched success yet, they might not realize that that's what happens. It's unfortunate. No, you want everyone in life, you hope as you succeed, everybody around you stays loyal and remains supportive.
True to themselves.
True to themselves, but that's not always the case.
Man.
But you guys, right now, you have a strong team here, a family.
Prince Swanny discussed his new album, which focuses on the ladies and reflect his current emotion because he's going through a lot of things right now. So he will definitely be putting all that pain and emotion and everything on that album.
The album is based on more for the ladies. You know, also I was going through my little thing. So yeah, the album had a lot of feelings in the album.
Yeah.
You know. Skill Babies on the album, Boy on the album, Nature Be on the album. You never know who else might be on the album.
But what tell me.
What I got from this interview is that Prince Swanny remains humble in the interview, show respect for fellow artists, and is unwavering dedication to his craft, mastering his craft and all these other things. So despite the challenges and the rumors and everything that he's facing right now, he remains grounded and focused on the mission to uplift the Trinidad music scene. So big up Prince Swanny to the fullest. Big up Christmas List, who hope to interview Christmas List and his wife soon. Also hope to interview Prince Swanny and even Kman 6. Alright, thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.